Welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to add video to PowerPoint and how to trim that video. Open the PowerPoint on your PC. I have prepared sample presentation to do that. I will insert video in here. Go to insert. Go to video. You can insert video from online as well as video from your PC. I'll show you how to insert video from your PC. Select the video you want to insert. Click insert. You can also adjust size of the video screen and position of the video in that presentation like this. Then go to playback. Click trim video. Pop-up is appear to trim video. You can set start time and end time to trim video by using this bar, or else you can type here start time and end time here. I trim this to this part, then click OK. This is the trim video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.